Hi friends, and welcome to my new video. In this one I'll show you how to get free TikTok coins in under 5 minutes, more like 4 minutes. I'll show you how to get free coins on your account really easy. If this is something that you want to get, make sure you watch the full video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so now let me show you how to get free TikTok coins, and for that you'll need to download a TikTok coins hack, which I'll show you how to get in just a second, and I'll show you that it works. And at the moment on my TikTok account, on my new account, I have 0 coins. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to get the TikTok coins hack and how to use it. And this will work on any Android or iOS device, but I'm using my iPhone because I can't use both phones, but I'll be using my iPhone. But if you have an Android or an iPad, you can follow along. This is what you have to do. The very first step is for iPhone users only, is go into your settings, scroll down till you find the home screen group of settings, and make sure that show in app library is enabled. That means if you find it like this on gray, you have to show an app library, enable it to be green, so turn on that setting. Now to download the TikTok coins hack, this is what you have to do. Open up a browser, and when you open up the browser, type in app library and go to this website, and on here just type in the search bar TikTok, and this is the app that you want to download, TikTok coins adder. Click to download TikTok coins adder to add coins to your balance. So this is the app we will be downloading, so just click on the app icon and click download. Give it a few seconds while it checks the device compatibility with your phone or whatever you're using, and it should just give it a few seconds here. There are no requirements for this app, so you should pass this part. And we almost finished with the download process. Now this is the final step, guys, don't skip it. We'll have to complete device verification by completing free offers from the list below. After that, the TikTok coins adder will start downloading automatically. So I'll show you how it's done. I'll start with this offer right here. It's a really easy one. All I have to do is just download and open the game for 30 seconds. So if you see Evertail, I recommend you complete it. Okay, so let's do this one. So I'll start downloading the game, but it should download it really quick. Okay, and it finished the download process. So this is what I'll do. I'll open up the game and keep it open for 30 seconds. Nothing difficult, very simple task. And I believe these are advertisements, like promotional apps or something, but it takes a few seconds and then you can get as many TikTok coins as you want. You can withdraw them, you can give them to your favorite live streamer. So whatever you want to do, you can do it. I'll just show you how to get free TikTok coins. So I believe 30 seconds have passed. I'll close the game and go complete 2 more offers. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just finished my 3rd offer. It took me a few more minutes, but I got it done. Now, once you complete your 3rd offer, go back to the browser, and this app, the TikTok coins hack, will start downloading automatically on your device. If it doesn't, just click the refresh button. And now if I return to my home screen, you can see I have the TikTok coins hack on my iPhone on the screen. I'll just open it up, and as you can see, I have 0 coins in my TikTok coins balance, but everything here, all the coins here are free. So all I have to do is just click on any coins that I want and I can get them for free. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel if I helped you get free TikTok coins. Leaving a like is really important. Also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.